Welcome to the CCLI Reviews channel, where I give you an up-close and personal look at all sorts of products you can find online, from wireless keyboards to lawn sprinklers and just about everything in between. Then I give you my honest opinion of them. If you're curious, CCLI stands for Cord Cutters LI, my parent channel where thousands of people have learned to save money on their cable bill. But here at CCLI Reviews, it's all about the products you're interested in. So if you're ready to see what I have to show you today, sit back, relax, and let's go. Okay, so the fine folks out at TECKNET sent me this cordless mouse. It's model M003. I like this one. Right on the box it says here, certified frustration-free packaging. You see that? We're going to put that to the test here right now as I open it up and show you how it looks. I think that's sort of a dig at the big guys, you know, those that company that starts with an L. Those plastic containers that they wrap their stuff in that you have to like rip apart to get into. So here is it looks like a pretty sizable manual. I mean, I'm sure it's in, let's see, 6 different languages. So I'm sure you're covered there. I'm not going to really look at this necessarily. I do know that we need 2 AAA batteries. The receiver, the USB receiver, is most likely going to be inside the battery compartment. Oh, actually it is right here on the outside. Oh, I like this. This is blue. I really like this because, as you can see here, this is blue. The very standard, you know, the mouse receivers that you get in, you know, the more common products, they're all black. I have a drawer full of black USB receivers and try to figure out which one is with which. I won't forget this. It actually says on here, it says TECKNET. It's got a blue receiver. This mouse is purple. It comes in a bunch of different colors. You can see down below, you can pick all the different colors that you want. And as I said here, you've got battery compartment here. I'm going to grab 2 AAAs and be right back. And I'm back. I'll go ahead and throw those 2 batteries in there. And then put the cover back on. Okay. I don't think I had it snapped in there. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. At first I thought maybe it wasn't that great of a seat, but yeah, this is great. Definitely not coming out of there. We have an on-off switch right here. Let's go ahead and plug this into the computer now. Okay, so my computer just told me that it's ready with another beep. And let me just go ahead and change over to this other screen here. We'll give it a good test. So here I have my mouse properties open. I can change the cursor speed. See how fast it goes, you know, all the way over to the left. You'll see here, as I move the mouse, it doesn't have a lot of movement. And these are just standard windows. It's a plug-and-play mouse. It took like 10 seconds for it to be recognized by the computer. And as you can see, all these settings in the control panel just work. And really, it's just working quite nicely. You can select the text. You can right-click. You can copy, cut, paste. Let's mess up this document. Looking back at the mouse up close, you have this button here. This is the same function as I showed you a minute ago in the control panel. For how fast the mouse will move. So if you touch that button, it will cycle through all the different, they call it DPI modes. So how many dots per inch as you move the mouse, faster, slower, and so on. So you don't have to go into the control panel to check that, which is nice. These buttons here over on the side, let me see if I can show you. You can make those out. This one here is for forward, like, so if you're on web pages, you know, you want to go back and forth, or, you know, documents, whatever. This one in the front will toggle to the forward a page. This one here in the back will go back a page. So that's how that works. And then also on the side here, you can see this is the low battery indicator. So if the battery is low, it'll let you know, it'll start flashing and so on. I really like the way that this feels in my hand. It's nice. It's got some weight to it. This little thumb grip over here is rubber. Fits the hand. Really, it's kind of very nicely ergonomically designed. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with this mouse from TECKNET. Check it out.